What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Umidigi F1. Max speed and max power is what they're saying. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the packaging. Looks very good. Looks very familiar. I have had other Umidigi phones on this channel, and the packaging is pretty familiar. You do got a sleeve that comes off, and then you have the box itself. You do have the seal Umidigi stickers there, and on the back we do have some specs here. Let's go ahead and do a quick read down of the specs. You do have a Helio P60. This is running Android 9.0 right out the box, which is amazing. We do have 4 gigs of ROM and 128 gigabytes of storage. That is awesome. This is a dual nano SIM card device, or a combo. You can do one SIM card and a micro SD card for memory for expanded storage. You do have, this is right here what I think is the main feature of this device, a 5150 milliamp hour battery. Damn! That's a big battery in a nice budget phone. That is crazy. Let's not waste any time and let's get right into the device. Bam. Bam. Umidigi. You do get a Umidigi thanks card. It's going to tell you thanks for purchasing their device. And we are presented with the phone here. Let's put the phone aside real quick. And you do get a nice envelope here that says link to the world. Inside the envelope you do have your SIM ejection tool and some warranty information. Let's go ahead and put this back, and you do have your power brick here. Awesome. This is a fast power brick, 5 volts at 2 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. It inputs 10 to 240, so this is a USA brick here. And you do have your micro USB to Type-C cable there, which is awesome. Let's see if we can get that to focus. Bam. Let's go ahead and put that back. We don't need none of that. That is all that is in the box. Put that sleeve back. And let's take a quick look at what we came for, the phone. Now the phone is wrapped inside this pleather kind of case here. That's very cool of them that they give you a case. Let's go, very snug case too. Let's go ahead and peel this off so we can take a look at the case first. It is like a pleather, nice kind of design there. You do have some texture on the back as well as around the sides. Everything's covered. Pretty nice case. You don't have to buy a case if you don't want. And the device itself, I did get the red one. Bam, look at that. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Woo! This thing looks crazy good. And surprisingly, it's not too thick. It is a little bit heavy, and that's only because it has a 5150 milliamp hour battery. It's expected to be heavy, but also it's not too thin, not too thick. Feels good in hand. Dude, let's go ahead and power this on. Let's go ahead and see what kind of cameras is running. It has an 18 and an 8 megapixel camera at 1.7 aperture, which is good. Is this a... You do have a pre-installed screen protector as well. Bam, look at that. They hook you up. They give you a screen protector and a case on a budget device, and all this for $199. I did pick this up on Amazon. I think I paid like $218. There's a $20 surcharge if you pick it up on Amazon. The link will be in the description below if you want to pick up a Umidigi F1. Great device, stock Android 9.0, global LTE band. This is going to work for T-Mobile and AT&T, at least here in the United States. 6-point-inch screen, bam, and a Helio P60, so you know it's rocking with a decent processor there. Umidigi, link to the world. Let's go ahead and let that power up and then give a quick walkthrough and see what this phone's all about. This thing looks very, very nice. Look at this screen, man. This screen looks very, very nice. Stock Android, let's go see in the settings here. Very snappy, very, very snappy, dude. This thing is snappy. We are on the January 5th, so it is up to date with the security patch. I think we're in February. February just came out. We do have a update waiting for this phone, so that's going to be awesome. Let's go ahead and go into storage. Right off the back, 11.27 gigabytes for use out of the 128. I have not added anything or anything like that. Let's turn down the screen brightness so you guys can actually take a look at this device here. For $200, you can't go wrong with this phone. It looks very, very beautiful. Link will be in the description if you're interested in this. Please like, share, subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.